Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll begin by enabling location with high accuracy so the app can tag photos precisely. Once done, grant camera and storage permissions. The app needs both to save geotagged images. Next, open the GPS Map Camera app and pick your map layer, satellite or standard. Then tap the camera overlay to enter photo mode. Make sure you can see a live map pin and a small compass indicator before moving on. This confirms the app received a basic GPS fix, and the camera overlay is active. Now you'll configure capture options so each shot contains the right data. Set resolution and timestamp format, and pick an accuracy threshold like 5-10 meters to avoid poor fixes. Enable overlays for heading, altitude, and any custom text you want burned into the image. This embeds the why and where directly on the photo. Calibrate the compass by rotating the phone if prompted, and toggle stabilization or tripod mode to reduce blur. These settings ensure metadata is reliable and images are clear under varied conditions. You're ready to capture. Frame the subject, confirm the GPS pin and overlay display correct coordinates, then tap the shutter. After saving, immediately review the saved photo's metadata to verify coordinates, time, heading, and altitude are present. This prevents wasted trips. Export or share using the app's export function and backup to cloud or SD. If you don't get a GPS fix, toggle location off/on, step into an open area, and wait. Enabling high accuracy and restarting the app usually resolves persistent fixes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.